Morning from Zavina. We are unwrapping the burrito that is our set concrete. So it's just Luke and I up here today. We sent Luke and Marc off on their happy ways. And by sent them off, they left back to their lives. But we are finishing the wall. So we poured this concrete with Marc and Luke over a week ago. But it had really terrible weather, so we couldn't come up and finish it. So today, hopefully, we will be able to, just the two of us, finish this wall today. And we will have a happy retaining wall. And so we can do something about this terrible slope and also have a place to put some of the dirt that we're digging out from the foundation. Yay! Okay, so we have a wall. It's very exciting. It's actually a huge deal that this is done. This felt like a really big project that we got done with no short part, and thanks to Marc and Luke, but we are just, and Luca. So basically why this is here, because we haven't actually explained the plan here. So as you can see across the entire property, there's a lot of slope. And we would like, and we also are going to be digging a lot in the foundation. We've already started digging out some of the dirt, and that's got to go somewhere. So we're basically building, killing two birds with one stone. We're building an infill here so that we're going to be able to put all of the dirt that we're taking out from the house here. And then that way we can level all this out. And then in the future, this will be a workshop. And so this will be, or an outdoor entertaining space, or both. And so this will be nice and level, and then this will be super usable. And first we need a retention wall, and so that's why this is here. Also, if you're wondering why it looks a wee bit janky, that's because all of these cinder blocks came off of that old add-on. If you remember that there used to be a little building there for cooking down lard. Well, it got torn down. We had all these cinder blocks. And so we reclaimed them and put them here. We will have to, because this wall is actually going to get extended all the way down to where the old garden is. So we only built this section because there's a whatchamacallit, stump that needs to get pulled out. But we built this section first, and then we're going to add on to it here. We will have to buy new cinder blocks for that chunk. But for this whole thing cost... How much do you think this wall costs, Luca?
No, $20.
20 bucks maybe? Yeah, that's the power of reuse, people. That's a nice wall. I like that wall. I don't like walls, but I like this wall. It's the best cinder block wall we've built today. Good job. Sand delivery 2.0. This one will be bigger aggregates for concrete. Let's see if this guy has maneuverability scores. Oh God, let's see if this guy has the maneuverability skills of those who come before him. It seems that he does. Good job. I don't think that's gonna be a good spot. I'm gonna move. There's gonna be a lot of material coming down this hill. That's a big truck. Oh, those pallets are gonna die so fast. Bye-bye, shovel. Wow, they didn't even get it close onto the thing. Okay, well. Sand. Easter, Luca. Because I'm filming. So we tried to do a time lapse, but promptly Luca's phone promptly died after about an hour and a half, and we're about four times, yeah, and the wind kept blowing it over. So we are enjoying a nice little makeshift tent because we got about to this point where this thing is covered, and we've been kind of like watching the weather all day about whether or not it was going to rain. We finally decided, oh, we'll mix a new batch of mortar, and then it started pouring, and so thanks. Yes. So Luca made this little rebarb tent, so he's doing a pretty good job keeping the rain off of us, and we should have this wall done today, thank God. Hopefully. So proud of him. Look at this nice little rhythm he got. Only took like 4.5 hours in the rain doing this. Scrape, 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 scrape. Very proud of him. Good job, Luca.
Eu posso passar o down, deixa ele na fonte. Non ne riesco a lunga per troppa. No. Bravo, faccio il tema.
This is a huge moment. We have been working on this for a month. We taught ourselves to mix concrete, to mix mortar, to lay CMU blocks, and a month and about 300 euros for we have a completed CMU wall. Look at her, she's magnificent. Oh, I love her so much. This is the best CMU wall I have ever made. It's also the only CMU wall I've ever made. So I'm just so proud of us, and we are just about to start putting the drain foil on the back of it, and then we are infilling it with all of the dirt that we've already accumulated and drainage stuff, and this is to date the biggest project we've completed. I am just so proud of us.